Dragonfly wings are very strong and can fly at speeds of 22 to 3 miles per hour. Dragonflies began exploring bodies of water, such as ponds and swamps, more than 350 million years ago. These prehistoric insects belong to the Odonata family, along with their close relatives, dragonflies. More than 3,000 species of dragonflies are known to live on almost every continent in the world. Here are 15 cool facts about dragonflies that you probably didn't know. Number 1. The dragonfly insect family has only two main species, dragonflies and damselflies. The two are so similar overall that most people would get confused at first glance. Their key to identification lies in their wings. A dragonfly has 4 wings, but a dragonfly has 2. A dragonfly is resting, it spreads its wings horizontally, while the dragonfly folds its wings above its body. Another indicator is their eyes. Most dragonflies have fused eyes, but all dragonflies have separate eyes. And number 2. Dating to around 300 million years ago, you may encounter a direct ancestor of the dragonfly Meganisoptera, sometimes called the griffin fly. This extinct relative of the dragonfly lived during the Paleozoic era, 323 to 250 million years ago. Most griffin flies are about the size of their current brethren. However, species called megatypes are more likely to surprise you when you meet them. The third. Different species of dragonflies can be found in almost every corner of the world. Most of them tend to live in a certain area, but some live in a slightly wider area. For example, emperor onyx is found throughout the Americas, from the southernmost tip of Argentina to Newfoundland, Canada. Even more impressive are the orbiting gliding dragonflies, found in temperate climates on every continent on Earth except Antarctica. Number 4. The biological term for an invertebrate insect that undergoes a gradual metamorphosis process is a larva. Examples of these insects are grasshoppers, crickets and dragonflies. Dragonfly larvae are aptly called nymphs. In mythology, nymphs are a kind of spirit that lives in rivers, streams and similar areas. Dragonfly nymphs live in water like fairies in myths. Adult dragonflies lay their eggs in aquatic plant tissue or on the surface of the water. After hatching from the eggs, the larvae spend several years in the water, eating other invertebrates, tadpoles and even small fish. If you've ever spent a lazy day by a lake, you know what I mean. Dragonflies have such an amazing ability to fly that they have even been known to migrate across the oceans. They can move in all directions, yes, they can fly backwards too, and can spin almost on the spot. Their wings are very strong and fly at a speed of 36 to 5 kilometers, 22 to 3 miles, per hour. There are old reports that an Australian species called the giant southern darner has reached a top speed of 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour. However, speed has not been recorded since 1917, so this report is considered inaccurate. And the sixth. One of the main reasons dragonflies fly so well is because of their wings. Each of them can flap its wings independently, and in this way it has 4 different modes of flight. Dragonfly hover like a helicopter and can fly very slowly or as fast as lightning. You can even change the direction of your stylus by flapping all 4 wings in sync with each other. They are also free gliding, and some females will glide with the flying male during mating. Number 7. Adult dragonflies are predators, almost exclusively carnivorous, on other insects such as mosquitoes, flies, moths, and small dragonflies. Thanks to their speed and agility in flight, they catch prey in the air with their feet. Efficient hunting ability of dragonflies are one of their most prominent characteristics, as they can catch up to 95% of the prey they hunt. When it catches something, it bites its head and immobilizes it. They usually sit down somewhere and enjoy their meal on the spot, but they can also eat on the go, starting from the head. Number 8. When hunting, dragonflies don't hunt insects just by following their movements and flapping their wings. Instead, they do something very similar to what we humans are capable of: they rob their quarry. To do this, they have to calculate not only the speed of their prey, but also where it is going and how far it is. They can do this in microseconds and glide to where their prey is instead of catching it.